Alright, so before this we've already addressed factoring equations with 4 terms, with 3 terms. Now we've made it to 2 terms. And to factor an equation with 2 terms, we can do 2 different ways. We can once again do the X box method, where we make an X, then we make a box. And for this one, you would just need to understand that this 25x squared minus 36, this is the same as 25x squared plus 0x minus 36. So then you would split 0 into 2 numbers that add up to be 0. So it would be one number, the positive version of itself, and the negative version of itself. Since those two would just add to be 0. You can do all that. That's fine. You'll get the right answer. But I propose there is an easier way, and that's using the difference of squares formula, which I wrote up here. And why did I erase it all? Oh, dummy. So this is 25x squared minus 36. And this formula tells us if we have a squared minus b squared, we can just write it as a minus b times a plus b. So what does that exactly mean? So I say we start off by identifying a squared and b squared. So 25 is a squared, 36 is b squared. So off to the side, we have that a squared is 25x squared, b squared is 36. So how do we find a and b? How do we get a and b by themselves? And you guys should be able to notice that all we have to do to get rid of that square, we just take the square root of both these. That cancels out, you just get a equals and b equals. So now I have to figure out what's the square root of 25x squared. And to do this, you think of these as separate cases. So 25, the square root of 25 is just 5. And then the square root of x squared is just x. So a, that equals 5x. B is just the square root of 36, the square root of 36 is just 6. So now we have our a, we have our b. So now we just use this equation. So a squared minus b squared, and we know this all equals a minus b times a plus b. So this equals, I'll just write this for you guys. This is a, this is b. So it equals 5x minus 6 times 5x plus 6. That's it. Don't overthink these problems. Whenever you have an easy formula like this, use the formula. Or you can do it the other way. Either way will work.